So I was just checking on the site, and one of the new plot holders has done a wonderful job. Let me show you. He's cleared all the rest of that. He's covered it for now because he understands if he doesn't cover it, it just goes nuts with weeds. And he's covering it and then gradually uncovering it once he's ready to do a bed. He's worked really hard to get it looking like that. Unfortunately, the plot next to him, the people came down, they cleared all the rubbish to one end, trimmed once, and they haven't been back. It's what you get sometimes. Hopefully they'll come back down. Yeah. A bit more encouragement's needed. Oh well. But I can only encourage them. It's their responsibility to do it, not mine. I wanted to tell you that despite what it looks like, all the main big medium plots are now rented out. I know it might not look like people are tending to them, and some are doing more, some are doing less, but they are all technically let out. So yeah, still got a way to go to get everybody actually growing, but I've got through about half the waiting list. So some people didn't reply, some people had already moved out of Bristol, so couldn't take up the offer. Other people were like, well, I've already got a plot somewhere else now. And some people unfortunately can't afford a plot. So yeah, now I've just got the 2 little half plots to try and let. We'll see whether that's possible. All I can do is ask. I'm going to attempt to trim this side path again. I got about, I don't know, halfway last time, so I will do the rest of that. We'll see how the battery holds up. Well, I got the second half of that side done, so that looks better. So I've been sat here munching the strawberries, forgetting to actually film it. But yeah, yummy. Of course, there were some strawberries that the bugs already started, so all I did was cut out the bad bits, out the rest of it. I like it when strawberries are in season. So this was the leftover bits from the strawberries. I think that's all I've got time for today. I think I'm going to go home, and hopefully next week I can really crack on with the plot and get most of the stuff planted out. That's as long as the slugs don't decimate everything, but we'll see. Thanks for watching, bye for now. Now, after spending the day in Wales at the Welsh National Botanic Gardens, I watered in here this morning before I left, and I did see some sort of rodent running away from my stuff, so I need to cover up. I think it keeps digging up my sweetcorn. I've got to move or cover that, and possibly the sunflowers. We'll see about anything else. We lost 1, 2, I don't know, maybe 3 sweetcorn. I certainly don't have the number I would like. Well, I can't cover the sweet corn or the sunflowers, so that will have to do. Fingers crossed the rodents don't get them. So good morning. I'm down the plot. It's cloudy, mild but cloudy. Look, an actual strawberry that doesn't have any bug damage, and it actually looks ripe enough. And it's sweet. That's lovely. So I'm here. I've got lots of work to do. Just checking on brassicas and stuff. Oh, I didn't bring down the pegs. Okay, I'll have to do that tomorrow. You probably think, what am I talking about? These slug collars, halos, keep getting knocked by wildlife, so I brought some long pegs to see if that would keep them in place. But I didn't bring them down. Oh well. Okay, so I'm in the brassica tent, and obviously I don't have lots of brassicas planted out here yet. But let me show you what is. These are all Brussels sprout Dartmoor, and look how healthy they are. I think the combination of these slug halos and the slug pellets have done the job. I just need the slug halos to actually stay in place. Okay, I've got lots of work I need to do. Not enough hours in the day to do it, so because I've already got the bed marked out for the sweet corn here, I think I'm going to plant out what I've got. Some's bigger than others, and then where I don't have plants, I'm going to put direct sow into the rest of the sweet corn. My problem is the rodents have been biting and pulling up my plants in the greenhouse, so I think that's what I'm going to have to do. So I have two types of sweet corn. I have Alder, something like that, and Swift. So Swift is all this end, all the way up to that white sign, and then that yellow sign is just direct sown sweet corn in here. We will see if any of it survives. Now, what's better on the plot than chocolate and fresh strawberry? What a heavenly combination. Come on, bee. Wake up. Get warm enough. Not the best place to be hanging out.